Part 1. When your bills start beefing. Aight, now listen, some of y'all out here got bills that don't even like each other. You got a credit card on the left acting bougie with 24% interest, a personal loan chilling in the back with 15%, and that car note showing up every month like, surprise, it's me again. That's chaos, family. That's too many hands in your pockets. Debt consolidation is basically when you say, yo, let's get everybody in one room and make this simple. You take all those different debts and roll them into one single loan, usually with a lower interest rate and one monthly payment instead of 5. Now don't get it twisted. This ain't free money, it's just organized pressure. But the right kind of pressure can help you breathe again. Instead of drowning in 5 due dates, you only fight one boss battle a month. Think of it like taking your bills to couples therapy. They still gotta get paid, but now they talking through one counselor instead of yelling all over your paycheck. Part 2, how it actually works. So here's how the game runs down. You apply for a debt consolidation loan. That could be through a bank, a credit union, or even a specialized debt company. If you get approved, they give you one new loan big enough to pay off all them smaller debts. Boom, those cards get a zero balance, and now you just owe one place. But here's where folks mess up. They close the old accounts, and their credit score drops a little. Or worse, they keep swiping the old cards like they ain't learned nothing. Nah, big dog. Debt consolidation only works if you stop adding new debt. It's like cleaning your room and then throwing your clothes on the floor again. Point missed entirely. Now, sometimes it's not even a loan. You could move your balances to a 0% interest credit card. That's called a balance transfer. You just gotta pay it off before that 0% ends, or they gon' hit you with that gotcha APR jump like, surprise, we back at 27%. So the key is discipline plus time. This move ain't for quitters. It's for folks who want to reset the scoreboard and get back in the game. Part 3. How to know if it's right for you. Now let me keep it real. Debt consolidation ain't the magic wand TikTok make it sound like. If you just got a little debt and your credit's solid, you might handle it faster yourself. But if your interest rate's hitting like gas prices in July and you can't even remember who you owe anymore, yeah, this might be your play. Look for a fixed rate loan, none of that variable funny business. And make sure the loan term ain't so long that you pay more in the end. It should save you both money and mental peace. Also, run it through your credit union before some random website. Credit unions usually keep it realer with lower rates and less nonsense. Bottom line, this move only works if you learn the lesson behind it. Debt don't mean you broke, it just means you borrowed faster than you could breathe. So next time, move smarter, not swipier. I'm not Ted, but thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is.